Hey guys, this is Jim with Worldwide Auctioneers. We're going to have a special auction January 26, 2024, Worldwide Auctioneers in Scottsdale, Arizona. There's a very special Toyota FJ that's going to be available in Scottsdale this year. And you're going to have to take a close look to see just how awesome this is. Upgraded engine drivetrain with a Chevy 350 in the crate, a 2-speed transmission for high and low gear ratio, brand new wheels and tires, a complete frame-off rotisserie truck. Take a really close look at this one and you'll see just how incredible the condition is. You will not find another one in this condition. Power steering, power brakes, just top to bottom, front to back. Lift kit, winch on the front. It's just amazing how someone took the time and spent $100,000 to make this Toyota FJ amazing. We'll see you in Scottsdale, January 26th. Don't miss it.